So hello students, this is second part of important MCQs on environmental studies. Course code is 22447. Environmental studies subject is for 4th and 5th semester of all branches in diploma. First question is, what is global warming in environment? First option is long-term cooling of Earth's climate. Second is long-term heating of Earth's climate. Third is good effects on environment, and fourth is none. The answer is B, that is long-term heating on Earth's climate. Second question is, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? First option carbon dioxide, second methane, third nitrous oxide, and fourth is carbon monoxide. Correct option is D, that is carbon monoxide. Next question is, select the right cause or causes for carbon dioxide emissions. First option is fossil fuel burning. Second is changes in land use. Third is calcination of limestone for clinker production. And D is all of the above. The correct answer is D, that is all of the above. In ozone layer depletion, there is first gradual thickening of Earth's ozone layer in the upper atmosphere. Second, decrease UV radiation levels at the Earth's surface. Third, gradual thinning of Earth's ozone layer in the upper atmosphere. And fourth is none. Answer is C, that is gradual thinning of Earth's ozone layer in the upper atmosphere. Next question is, which is the most evidently found greenhouse gas? First option is carbon dioxide, second is water vapor, third is methane, and fourth is nitrous oxide. Answer is B, that is water vapor. Next question is, greenhouse gases interact with which of the following for causing greenhouse effect? First option is wind's energy, second is sun's energy or solar energy, third is atmospheric pressure, and fourth is pollution in the atmosphere. And the answer is B, that is sun's energy or solar energy. Next question is, what is called for phenomenon when the radiation absorbed by the atmosphere is re-radiated towards the surface of Earth? First option is smog, second is Newton effect, third is photosynthesis, and fourth is greenhouse effect. It is greenhouse effect, that is D option is correct option. Then next one is, the ozone layer lies in first troposphere, second is stratosphere, third ionosphere, and fourth is mesosphere. And the answer is B, that is stratosphere. Next question is, which of the following chemicals are responsible for the depletion of stratospheric ozone layer? First is mesosphere, then propellants, then third option is foam blowing agents, and fourth is all above. And the correct option is all above. Next is, how many oxygen particles are there in every atom of ozone? Options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the correct option is 3. That is, ozone contain 3 particles of oxygen, O3. Which of the following is not greenhouse gas? First option is water vapor, second is carbon dioxide, third is methane, and fourth is ethane. And the answer is D, that is ethane.